Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Zoom app. Whether you're joining a meeting for work, attending an online class, or connecting with friends and family, knowing how to access your Zoom account quickly is essential. Let's walk through the login process step by step. First things first, open your Zoom app on your device. You'll find the Zoom icon either on your desktop, in your applications folder, or on your mobile home screen, depending on what device you're using. Once you click on it, the app will launch and bring you to the login screen. Now you'll see two fields where you can enter your credentials. The first field is for your email address, and directly below that, you'll find a field for your password. If you've already created a Zoom account using your email, simply type in your email address in the top field and then enter your password in the second field. This is the traditional way to log in, and it works perfectly if you prefer to keep your Zoom account separate from your other social accounts. However, Zoom also offers several convenient alternatives for signing in. Instead of typing in your email and password manually, you can sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, Microsoft account, or Apple account. These options are typically displayed as buttons below the email and password fields. Using one of these methods can save you time and makes it easier to manage your login credentials since you're leveraging an account you already use regularly. For this tutorial, we'll sign in with a Google account. Look for the button that says Sign in with Google or shows the Google logo. Go ahead and click on that button. This will redirect you to a Google authentication page where you can select which Google account you'd like to use for signing into Zoom. On the next screen, you'll see a list of Google accounts that are currently logged in on your device. Select the Google account you want to use for Zoom by clicking on it. If you only have one Google account signed in, it may automatically select it for you. Once you've chosen your account, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click on Continue to proceed. After clicking Continue, Google will verify your credentials and grant Zoom access to your account information. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once the authentication is complete, you'll be automatically logged into your Zoom account and taken to the main Zoom homepage. From here, you can start or join meetings, schedule new sessions, or adjust your settings. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Zoom app using your Google account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.